You're about to book your surgery abroad. You've seen the clinic, you've read the reviews, you've seen the before and after photos, but one question still lingers in your mind. Can I really trust a Turkish surgeon with my body? And honestly, it's a fair question. You're putting your health, your appearance, and your safety in someone else's hands, thousands of kilometers from home. So today, we're going to answer that question. No filters, no fluff, just facts, stories, and what you really need to know about the doctors behind Turkey's medical tourism boom. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I uncover the truth about global healthcare, medical tourism, and how to make smart decisions about your body, no matter where you are. Hit subscribe, and let's get into today's video. Would you trust a Turkish surgeon? 1. Why is this question so common? Let's be honest. Most of us grew up thinking the best doctors are in the US or Europe. But the reality in 2025? Medical expertise is global, and Turkey isn't just catching up, it's setting the bar in many fields: plastic surgery, hair restoration, dentistry, bariatric surgery, ophthalmology, orthopedics, dermatology, IVF, and fertility. So, why the hesitation? Because you've never heard of these surgeons, you've never seen them on TV, and your local doctor probably never mentioned them. Let's change that. 2. Turkish surgeons are some of the most experienced in the world. Here's a fact. Many Turkish surgeons have performed more procedures in 1 month than Western doctors do in 6. Why? High patient volume from international visitors, specialization in a narrow range of procedures, repetition equals mastery. Some plastic surgeons in Istanbul perform 10 to 15 rhinoplasties per week. Dental surgeons place hundreds of implants per month. Hair transplant teams harvest and implant thousands of grafts daily. That kind of focused repetition leads to unmatched skill, especially in cosmetic, dental, and reconstructive fields. 3. Most Turkish surgeons are internationally trained. A large percentage of top Turkish doctors studied or interned in Germany, the UK, or the US. Attend global medical conferences yearly, are members of international associations, ISAPS, ICOI, IFSO, etc., publish case studies in peer-reviewed journals, speak fluent English, and communicate clearly with foreign patients. So don't let geography fool you. These are not back-alley uncertified operators. These are world-class medical professionals, with global credentials. 4. The Turkish medical system is heavily regulated. Here's something most people don't know. To practice surgery in Turkey, doctors must complete a 6-year medical degree, pass national board exams, complete a residency in their specialty, up to 5 years, be registered with the Turkish Medical Association, undergo continuous medical education, be subject to random Ministry of Health audits, carry malpractice insurance clinics that serve international patients must also be officially licensed, maintain hygiene and equipment standards, comply with Health Tourism Law 3359, display surgeon names and credentials publicly. That's a tighter system than in some Western countries. 5. Real people trust Turkish surgeons every day. Let's go beyond numbers. Let's talk stories. Laura from Manchester flew to Istanbul for rhinoplasty. Her UK doctor quoted her £12,000. In Turkey, she found a surgeon with over 8,000 nose surgeries, many for UK patients. The result? Natural, balanced, better breathing for £3,200, including hotel and transfers. Carlos from Florida got dental implants in Izmir. He was nervous until the clinic sent him the dentist's full training documents, photos of 200-plus cases, and even live video testimonials from past patients. Now, he's recommending the same surgeon to his friends. Nadia from Dubai had her gastric sleeve done in Antalya. She was drawn to the clinic because the surgeon had worked at Cleveland Clinic much before opening his own facility. She lost 32 kilograms and gained a new life. These aren't rare stories. These are daily stories. 6. What to look for in a Turkish surgeon you can trust. If you want peace of mind, here's your Hakdi checklist. Checkmark: full name and photo of the surgeon. Checkmark board certification in their specialty, minimum 5 years post-residency experience, clear before and after photo galleries, not just Instagram filters. Reviews that mention the surgeon by name, video or Zoom consultation offer fluency or comfortable English communication, transparent revision, and refund policies. Availability to answer questions before booking hospital affiliation or operating in licensed facilities. And always, trust your instinct. If a clinic hides the surgeon's name, won't answer specific questions, or rushes you, walk away. 7. How do Turkish surgeons compare internationally? In cosmetic and dental surgery, they're among the best in the world. In hair transplants, Turkey is literally #1 globally. For volume, technique, and success rate. In bariatrics, Turkish surgeons are part of IFSO, International Federation for the Surgery of Obesity, and offer outcomes equal to those in the UK, US, and Germany. In eye surgery, doctors use the same equipment, Zeiss, Alcon, Wavelight, as US clinics. In plastic surgery, many are members of ISAPS, the global standard for aesthetic surgery. The tools are the same, the techniques are modern, and the results speak for themselves. 8. Do Turkish surgeons care about patient experience? Yes, more than you'd expect. Unlike overloaded systems in some countries, Turkish private clinics spend more time with each patient, offer in-depth consultations, provide daily check-ins post-op, include the surgeon in aftercare, not just assistance, follow up via WhatsApp for months afterward. They understand that through word of mouth is their biggest marketing tool. So they don't just do surgery, they build relationships. None. So, would I trust a Turkish surgeon? Yes, I already have, and I would again. But not just any surgeon. I trusted the process, the certifications, the clinic's transparency, the patient reviews, my own gut feeling. And you should do the same. It's not about the passport, it's about my person holding the scalpel. Their training, their passion, their commitment to your safety. And in Turkey, you'll find hundreds of surgeons who deserve that trust. Final thoughts. So, would you trust a Turkish surgeon? If you choose wisely, ask the right questions, and do the research, you absolutely should. You're not flying into the unknown. You're stepping into a system built on experience, excellence, international standards, and most of all, results. If you want my free surgeon vetting checklist, just comment "Trust List" toward below, and I'll send it your way. And if this video helped clear your doubts, give it a like, subscribe for more, and share it with someone who's still unsure. Next up, all-inclusive surgery packages in Turkey. What's really included and what to watch out for. Until then, stay smart, stay curious, and trust the doctor who's earned it.